Hello everyone, this is MAMTA MUND and today we are going to solve some exercise questions 1 to 15 of exercise 3D of chapter 3. Chapter name is Playing with Numbers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn and solve exercise 3D questions 1 to 15 of chapter name is Playing with Numbers and topics are test for divisibility, prime factorization and finding prime factors. Let's solve some questions. Now question number second bit 748. We have to check the number 748 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 and 11. First we check the number 748 is divisible by 2 or not. We know any number is divisible by 2 if the last digit, that is the unit place digit, is divisible by 2, that is unit place digit is even number. So here in 748 the unit place digit is 8 and 8 is divisible by 2. So 748 is divisible by 2. This is the divisibility property of divisibility rule of the number 2. Checking the divisibility of 2. So 748 is divisible by 2. Now you will check the number 748 is divisible by 3 or not. We know any number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digit, that is the digit sum, is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Sum of digit of the number 748, sum of digits of 748 is 7 plus 4 plus 8. 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19. And 19 is not divisible by 3. 19 is not divisible by 3. So the number 748 is not divisible by 3. So the number 748 is not divisible by 3. Now we will check the number 748 is divisible by 4 or not. Divisibility of 4. We know any number is divisible by 4 if the last two digit of the number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Here last two digit of the number is 48 and 48 is divisible by 4. 4 12 are 48. 48 is divisible by 4, so the number 748 is divisible by 4. So the number 748 is divisible by 4. Now we will check the number 748 is divisible by 5 or not. We know any number is divisible by 5 if the last, that is the unit place digit, is 0 or 5. Here the unit place digit is 8. Unit place digit of 748 is 8. 8 is not divisible by 5. So the number 748 is not divisible by 5. So the number 748 is not divisible by 5. Now we will check the number 748 is divisible by 6 or not. We know any number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Divisibility of 6. We know any number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Here the number 748 is divisible by 2 because the unit place digit 8. 8 is divisible by 3. 8 is divisible by 2. So 748 is divisible by 2. Now 748 is divisible by 3 or not. Here sum of digits, that is 748. Sum of digit is 7 plus 4 plus 8. And this is 19. And 19 is not divisible by 3. So the number 748 is not divisible by 3. 748 is divisible by 2. This is 748 is divisible by 2, but 748 is not divisible by 3. So 748 is not divisible by 6. 748 is not divisible by 6 because the number 748 is divisible by 2, but 748 is not divisible by 3. So the number 748 is not divisible by 6. Now we will check the number 748 is divisible by 8 or not. 748 is divisible by 8 or not. Divisibility of 8. We know any number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digit of the number is divisible by 8. Then the number is divisible by 8. Here the last 3 digit, that is 748, is divisible by 8 or not. 748, 8, 9 is 72. 748 is not divisible by 8. So 748 is not divisible by, remainder is 1. So this is not divisible by 8. So 748 is not divisible by 8 because the last 3 digit of the number is not divisible by 8. Now we will check the number 748 is divisible by 9 or not. 748 is divisible by 9 or not. We know the sum of digit, that is digit sum of the number 748, that is 7 plus 4 plus 8. If the number is sum of digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Here sum of digit is 7 plus 4 plus 8, and this is 19, and 19 is not divisible by 9. So 748 is not divisible by 9. Now we will check the number 748 is divisible by 10 or not. We know any number is divisible by 10 if it is divisible by both 2 and 5. Divisibility of 10. We know any number is divisible by 10 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 5, because 10 is 2 multiplied by 5. So if the number 748 is divisible by both 2 and 5, then the number is divisible by both 2 and 5. First we will check the number 748 is divisible by 2 or not. Here the last digit 8 is divisible by 2. So the number 748 is divisible by 2. Now we will check the number is divisible by 5 or not. Here if the last digit, that is the unit place digit of the number, is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Here the last unit digit is 8, which is not divisible by 5. So the number 748 is not divisible by 5, because unit place digit is 5. Unit place digit is not 0 or 5. Here unit place digit is 8. 8 is not divisible by 5. So 748 is not divisible by 5. Here 748 is divisible by 2 and 748 is not divisible by 5. So the number 748 is not divisible by 10, because 748 is divisible by 2, but 748 is not divisible by 5. Because 748 is divisible by 2, but 748 is not divisible by 5. So the number is not divisible by 10. Now we'll check the number 748 is divisible by 11 or not. We know sum of digits at the even places and sum of digits at the odd places is differ by 0 or 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. Here the sum of digits at even place is 7 plus 8. Sum of digits at odd place is 7 plus 8, and sum of digits at even place is 4. And 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 minus 4 is 11. And 11 is divisible by 11. So 748 is divisible by 11. So the number 748 is divisible by 11, because in the sum of digits at odd places and sum of digits at even place. Difference between sum of digits at odd place and sum of digits at even place is 11. Here if it is 0 or 11, then the number is divisible by 11. So this number is divisible by 11 because the difference is 11, which is divisible by 11. So here we find that the number 748 is divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2, and this is 748 is not divisible by 3, because sum of digits is 19, which is not divisible by 3. And here 748 last two digit is 48, which is divisible by 4, so the number is divisible by 4. And here the 748 last digit is 8, which is not divisible by 5, so the number is not divisible by 5. And 748 is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Here the number is divisible by 2 because last digit is 8, which is divisible by 2, but the number is not divisible by 3 because sum of digits is 7 plus 4 plus 8, which is 19, and 19 is not divisible by 3, so the number is not divisible by 3. Here the number 748 is divisible by 2, but the number is not divisible by 3, so this number is not divisible by 6. Now this number 748 is not divisible by 8 because 700 last three digit of the number 748 is 748, which is not divisible by 8. So this number 748 is not divisible by 8. And 748 sum of digits is 7 plus 4 plus 8, which is 19, and 19 is not divisible by 9, so this number is not divisible by 9. Now this number is divisible by 10 or not? Here the number is divisible by 10 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 5. Here this number 748 is divisible by 2 because last digit, unit place digit is 8, which is divisible by 2. But this digit is not divisible by 5 because last digit, unit place digit is 8, which is not either 0 or 5, which is not divisible by 5. So this number 748 is not divisible by 5. So this number is divisible by 2, but this number 748 is not divisible by 5. So this number 748 is not divisible by 10. Now this number 748, sum of digits at odd place is 7 plus 8, which is 15. And sum of digits at even place is 4. 15 minus 4 is 11. 11 is divisible by 11. So 748 is divisible by 11. So 748 is divisible by 2, 4 and 11. But 748 is not divisible by 3, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.